Welcome to InvestoSphere, your go-to channel for mastering modern income streams. If you're someone who wants to make real money online without a huge investment, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into one of the most overlooked yet incredibly powerful ways to earn online, selling Canva templates. Whether you're a beginner, a designer, or just someone with an eye for creativity, Canva opens the door to a highly profitable passive income stream. And the best part? You don't need any prior design experience, just your creativity and a strategic mindset. So grab your notebook or open up your favorite note-taking app, because this is not just a tutorial, it's a full-scale blueprint. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create high-demand templates, where to sell them, how to price your products, and how to build a sustainable business around them. Let's get started. Section 1. Understanding the power of Canva templates. Canva is more than just a design tool. It's a powerful marketplace for creators. Templates are pre-designed graphics or layouts that people use for business cards, Instagram posts, resumes, planners, media kits, ebooks, presentations, and more. With millions of businesses, influencers, educators, and marketers needing quick, easy-to-use design templates, the demand is exploding. Especially in the US, Canva has become a go-to tool. This is your chance to ride that wave. And since Canva has a drag-and-drop interface, anyone can create stunning templates. But making money from them, that takes strategy. Let's go through that step by step. Section 2. What types of templates sell best? Before designing, you must understand what sells. Here are the most profitable and high-demand categories: Instagram and Pinterest templates, business cards and branding kits, resumes and cover letters, planners, daily, weekly, monthly, ebook and workbook layouts, social media calendars, presentation decks for coaches and startups, wedding or event invitations, digital journals, lead magnet templates, freebies used by marketers. Each of these has a niche audience and consistent demand. The key is to focus on a few and dominate them rather than try to do everything at once. Section 3. Who is your target audience? Knowing who you're designing for will set you apart. Ask yourself, are you targeting small business owners? Are your templates meant for social media managers? Are you creating for educators, students, or bloggers? Define your audience. This will guide your style, your copy, your colors, and even your file naming. Once you know your audience, study their habits. Look at what kind of designs they use. Check marketplaces like Etsy, Creative Market, or even Canva itself for inspiration. Section 4. Designing high-quality templates on Canva. This is where the creative work begins. Open Canva and start with a blank canvas based on your chosen format. Instagram post, A4 document, presentation, etc. Tips for high-quality design. Stick to 2 to 3 fonts. Use a cohesive color palette. Keep layouts clean and uncluttered. Use grids and alignment tools. Include helpful placeholder text. Create duplicates for variation, e.g., 10 slide presentations, 30-day planners. Always preview your templates as if you were a buyer. Are they easy to edit? Are they useful? A good design is one that solves a problem. Section 5. Creating a template bundle. People love value. Instead of selling single templates, create bundles. Example, instead of one Instagram post, offer a 30-post content pack. Benefits of bundles: higher perceived value, more income per sale, increased buyer satisfaction. Think about how you can upsell. Offer matching story templates with post templates, or planners with journals. Section 6. How to export and package templates. Once your design is complete, create a shareable link from Canva. Use the template link option, not the edit link. Save that link inside a PDF or text file. Brand that PDF with your name or logo. Save as a zip file if needed. Ensure your instructions are clear. The easier the process, the better your reviews. Section 7. Where to sell your Canva templates. You have many platforms to choose from. Etsy, huge marketplace for digital products. Creative Market, premium audience looking for design quality. Gumroad, great for simple digital downloads. Your own Shopify or WooCommerce store. Payhip, simple storefront option. Teachers pay teachers for educational templates. Designbundles.net, growing digital design hub. Start with one platform, then expand. Optimize your listings with strong titles, descriptions, and keywords. Section 8, pricing strategy. Don't underprice. Your designs have value. Here's how to think. Single template, $5 to $10. Bundles, $15 to $50. Premium packages, $60 to $150. Offer discounts for newsletter signups. Use coupon codes. Create seasonal promotions. Value perception drives conversions. Section 9, marketing your templates. Don't just post your templates, market them. Use Pinterest to drive traffic. Start an Instagram account showcasing your templates. Write blog posts or Medium articles. Create YouTube tutorials showing your templates in action. Use SEO keywords in your product listings. Collect emails for promotions. Consistency is key. Build an audience that trusts your design skills. Section 10, using AI to speed up your workflow. AI can help you brainstorm, write copy, and even generate design ideas. Use ChatGPT to write product descriptions, titles, and instructions. Use AI-powered stock photo tools for placeholders. Use Canva's own AI features for quick designs. Let the machines handle the boring part so you can focus on creativity. Scaling your Canva template business. Once you're making regular sales, it's time to scale. Hire a VA to help with customer support or uploads. Collaborate with influencers. Launch your own course or coaching. License your templates for commercial use. Diversify your income. Think long-term. Build your brand. Common mistakes to avoid. Ignoring design consistency. Using too many fonts or colors. Forgetting to test template usability. Underpricing your work. Copying others without originality. Not optimizing product descriptions. Avoiding these will keep your brand strong and your customers happy. So there you have it. A complete blueprint on how to make money with Canva templates in 2025. This is one of the most beginner-friendly and scalable ways to earn online right now. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to InvestoSphere. Hit that like button, and don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your biggest takeaway or question. Your engagement helps more creators like you find this valuable content. We're here to help you grow, build financial independence, and master modern income streams. Thank you for watching. Questions for you. Have you ever tried designing templates on Canva before? What was your experience? Which template niche do you think is the most profitable in 2025? Would you prefer selling on Etsy or your own website, and why? What's stopping you from starting your Canva template business today? Let's chat in the comments below. Stay creative, stay consistent, and keep building your digital empire with InvestoSphere.